How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I just want to make this quick little video. James Tester, he's building a Tamiya Porsche 910 112 scale, and I just wanted to give him a shout out to his great videos and his channel. And I just wanted to show him some of my very old 12 scale, couple of Tamiyas, and then the other one is a Intex, Otaki, Datsun, whatever, I don't know. It's been 3 different kits, but I think it's the original Intex kit, or Bandai, whatever you want to call it, Intex, BMW, and then my Tamiya Datsun 240 Safari Rally, and then I got a John Player Lotus that I've built, and these are old builds, and they're very dusty, and they're in my old cabinets and probably about halfway falling apart and everything. But I just want to show him I got a crap load of 12 scale models that I still never touched, but I have no room for the stuff right now. But as soon as I can get more cabinet space, stuff like that, I'll start building more of them. But I just want to turn this around here and show him what I've gotten done so far. Thank you. Alright, James, the first one up is, this is an old Intex kit. This is 112 scale BMW. I think it's a 3.0 CSL. I've had this for years. It's been in my case. The decals are terrible. They're falling apart. You can see right there where they're coming up. I mean, they just lifting right off the car. It was an old kit when I bought it anyway, years ago. And the decals were, decals get old. They get terrible and get hard to do. But I got the decals on it, and now after all the years sitting in the case, it's just, they're starting to come off. You can see every time you open a door, or you open a hood or something, decals start flaking off of it. It's probably in a good need of a restoration, but I got another one still in the box. Later on, I plan on, when I do get my space, to start building some of this bigger scale stuff. I got the Tamiya Jägermeister 12 scale Porsche. Well, I thought the other one like this would be good as the Jägermeister team. Order me a set of decals for it, and build one orange with the Jägermeister stripes. But this one here is what I've gotten done. I'm going to show you, James, if I can get this hood open. I'm working this camera with one hand here and trying to lift this, so let's see. Well, I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see under that hood very good or not. The engine's wired. It's a nice detailed kit. Very old kit. You can see the door. I'm surprised the door didn't even fall off of it. There's the inside. The instrument panel. Roll cage. I don't know if you can see that too good or not. Close this door back up here. Yeah, it's an old kit. Well, it might just come off here in a second. So I know this don't even hinge no more either. So I just take it off. You can see the battery and the tanks. There's no bottom end of it. You can see. Nice wheels. There's that door. I'm not even going to attempt to open it. The other one's falling off. See if I can turn this big sucker over for you. There it goes. It fell off, so it's all good. There's the underneath of it. You can see it's got a lot of tubing and hoses and everything. it was a fun kit. Like I said, this was years ago that this one got built. And I think I might have showed it once before on YouTube to somebody, but you're building the 12 scale Porsche. I thought you might want to see these. I can set this aside and show you the next one. Alright. This is my John Player Lotus. You can see this one's super dusty. Let's see the back end here. I think that even comes off there. You can see the injection. Disc brakes. Battery. The wheels and tires. I'm not a very good figure painter, but there it is right there. I think this one here was Emerson Fittipaldi. Not a very good painter, but and this front cap comes off here too and shows the, well, I say that. It's supposed to, I'm not even going to attempt it. I'm breaking everything as it is. But here's the back end of the car. See through there. Yeah, it's a cool kit. I also have another one of these up there unbuilt too. One of these days I'll build the other one. And now let me take this one off and put this Datsun. I know I've showed the Datsun to everybody before. Doors just fell off of it. Now this one here is very old. I know this one here got built back in mid-90s, somewhere around in there. I'm not for sure. Can't remember. It's been a while. See all the dust on it. You can see through here. I think pieces have kind of halfway fell apart on it, maybe. I'm not for sure. There's the wheels. This was a very, very nice kit in its time. Let's see. The back bumper I know is in the box. It come off. I threw it in the box. This has got spare tires, jack, all kind of tools and stuff. I just got thrown in there. If you can see through to the cockpit this way. See, it's got the driver and the co-pilot. Let's see. See if I can get this door open without it falling off. Whoa. There you go. You can see in there. Like I said, not a good figure painter. But very, very old kit. Let's pop this hood and see if it'll come off. It's either going to come off or it's going to break. There we go. You can see it's got 3 carburetors. All wired up. Let's see here. See it from this end. These little pieces right here come off. But there you go, James. I just wanted to show you my 112 scale kits that I've gotten built that's been in my cases for years. And like I said, I've got a whole bunch more. I love the 12 scale Tamiya kits, and well, and there's other makers too, you know, but I really love the Tamiya kits. And like I said, I've got a bunch of them. I got the Lola T70. I got a Ferrari Formula 1 car, and I got the Wolf Formula 1 car. I got a couple of Datsuns, or Hondas, I mean, and I got Porsche, a Bentley. I got another one of these BMWs, and I got another John Player Lotus, a Fiat 500, and then I got a Jim Clark Lotus. All right, guys, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.